Currently standing at the Downer Brendale facility. Behind me you can see the CDE detritus plant that Downer's utilising for its economy division.
The target here is to turn a waste stream into a value stream, so sand and aggregates to go back into the construction sector, and then organic material which can go into the likes of garden bedding, mulch materials.
For us to give our customers what we need reliability, we need good quality product. CDE equipment has been really good quality. I've worked in the waste industry for 20 years and I find CDE equipment much easier to maintain than previous plants I've worked on, and the support I've received from CDE has been outstanding.
So the R1500, that's our receivable pit. It's metering the feed coming into the plant and it gives us some control as to the feed rate of the plant. The first point of organics removal is through our ag mix, through the flotation of the organics and out onto our organics conveyor. We also have our D163 screen, which features further downstream within the plant for final further organics removal before it reaches the water treatment process.
One of the real technical aspects that we really like about this detritus plant is the ability to be flexible around the separation of different types of waste, whether that be your aggregates, your sands, your organic matter like leaves and plants, as well as other type of plastics and metals.
We've got quite a few pieces of equipment that makes up our water treatment. We've got our clarifier, we've got our centrifuge, and we've got a couple of poly plants which feed chemicals to both the thickener and the centrifuge itself to try and aid and support liquids and solids to reuse the water throughout the plant.
Getting that to process through a single plant can be very challenging, but with CDE equipment, we process about 97% of the water we use.
Downer's invested in 3 detritus plants in the past with CDE, and certainly we feel this relationship and partnership is clearly working for us. The CDE tick all the boxes in terms of world-leading practice.
I actually find the CDE plants very easy to operate. The support I receive from CDE has always been top level and it's 24/7.
We have a dedicated in-country team of engineers who looked after the project and ensured a smooth project delivery right through the install commissioning.
We're transforming waste into valuable products, and that's pretty exciting.
It's been most enjoyable working with staff at CDE, technical expertise, the support that we've had, and certainly with sustainability being a core part of Australia's economy, Downer's partnership with CDE will continue to thrive into the future.